the name Flamboyant Lifestyle, aka what? Mankind, and the other names. Hey, and this be what? Matter Cam. You know, say this word will be there inside moon. Plenty people they go church, but they don't know the reason why they go church. If you mukwa sorry say omukwa kobo idraman, especially in Bano. If you musu kose omukwa share miracles, ade aso for ne ye. If you musu kose omukwa wiya ade. If you musu kose ya force no so omukwa sorry ntino o ye or ko no akotana asori dem na nipa de jan de how. The matter where you come no, some woman be where na you say this woman there, if you woman where you grow, where you tell like our so no match. Correction koso. Correction your course now is a correction on the back and the head, a call round until you do so. I know what they are adding up to what they share video. No, share video. One son a woman, eh? One son or din is a share bag in the Trisica, a fee bag in one year faster. Cra. But camera, Brunier, I then he catch the woman, make you say she be what? She be thief. You know me though. The woman is still. Where this news way come? Go for me bread, or man or two, and on where they almost can. Some people say, I be a cost of sorry them man because a bit more, especially some of the pastors now. A bit more offering, a bit more tight, but be yare, no about sorry on your own fee. So for this reason why the woman what goes still. And because hey, these people there, people they talk. If you are saying go for baby heading, ekasa. And so one man a branch if you should in view bad, ebe boom. Or the boom say, me kra ka me wia. Me pa dey an ka me wia pa. Because sometimes come cause all ya come dim. You know me wan see the on bottom nam that two for here. Nigga man. Because say, who nim ntia o cause all. You don't know the reason why they go church. You don't want to if you something way for can talk. If you don't want chop before you will go church. Chop before you will go church. Maybe not to say or come doing you know once in the one and now they are what they are two offering. Ah brother man pa if I not talk what like that. And check and a woman missing in the boom say, hey woman here cronfo pa I saw the sika in the bed they ever boy sorry now I saw not call for no and we a thief June law kwa. The way the woman no rep that thing, brother, it easy, sister. Yes, right. A sign more. Make I talk you something. This world where we dey inside no. If you discipline yourself, it almost said you go for be brave assassin so. Plenty people they suffer from anxiety, depression, and all those things. But remember how I got to sorry them. Kwa sorry them say, "Who could see nyame asem dey abọ bra." Na fe bi ehunsu so na ba wa bra bom na fe attend wa bra bo a oye dem o bo no me nko se uko wie sika ana me nko se uko ye hwehwenim obi wa somebody a he did the church inside a onu bia adamfo you know be say go say wa ba sorry o just say edu weekends and o ko no fie no akotra no ma bonkomo o me tranto you know be say dem go to and they talk the word of God o na mo read the Bible kokonsa wey do and they do what then they do for the churches inside. This all demon where this thing what happen. Where the church know where this thing to happen for inside no, it be Catholic church because you say mostly you know this Catholic church people where you do then they do what then they take bag they go around say obi am find offering here there and two. Hey, he make a meaning nyamen campo sister brother. I don't know what I will talk. Hey, and our house so another man to come talk. Way this matter we talk the way blow my mind, the way some bust my mind. The man talk say, you know, you observe someone before. They observe someone before. No, you tell like them woman no, now woman you milk penny pa or what sorry them more. Woman no kwa sorry, but police was steady no. Don't be a woman never come way they go give offering. The woman know the word correction. He just fold the arms. Why you necessary? Into making sell like 2 million a shape, but 50 pesos crying and shame. Then the woman who reach the correction boy in there now. Now I say well jail to me so St3al. Oga say oh that's awful. If you can say they lie the church or so, you they lie yourself. If you no get that, you no get. You no get money, you no get. In the Bible, you read the Bible, I will inspire the Bible inside that. God inspire the rich people, not share his scaffold no more sorry them money. Omo boy for that can say 80 billion, 60 billion. God know what talk their matter. But the woman when I the sequence, when they go put inside no, and then I go point the energy on. So I did feel like women idea like say no na one the man go point. It be in where God despite of they do something what they give you. You know be your something where you go do say I got big money so I forget big money then things. Plenty people to know they go church sake of correction. It be what? It be your big time. Why you know they go church sake of correction? God knows say you no get some. So if they come in there, then pray say make something better. What happen for your life inside? So why you go there house? Some last time make I talk you my experience. Some last time we go catch a brand TV. Now me near brand TV didn't come and say, I then I am quite sorry. Where I want to catch him and say, hey Charlie, you don't get correction, so you know the and you're not color class of wearing or the quite sorry say you go do what? You go put offering and say, what is it the church to you go no the pastor no do money matter. The pastor need to fit talk from the correction. They say the church in the crown. The Ambrosua be 15. The man who fit talk say make some bro bring 80 million. From 80 million, 70 million, 50 million. Where the people today they tap the church inside, my sister, brother. You will be cry, get to an obi ejuma in the crown. Me sure say the person who go get that money no can put offering inside. So it be them things where you do people to do that thing for what? For the church what inside. This be the matter where you what it happened. I go by the name flamboyant lifestyle, aka what mankind. Obet me leave you comment. I didn't I accepted. Obet me throw comment. No, come on. No, be so kind. Now I had a tuneful. Now me jack chrono thieves. Chrono cause sorry to offering. Why? To offering need jack chrono. If it's something. Then some of you do what? Do make sure say you go on our what social media platforms. No? Say you go follow us or the name be what? Too much what? GH. That be what? I don't want follow you. Prayer always what? Work. Pow!
Me dey the Isaiah Kodwampo, we betumi afem the great tempo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. We boy what? Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.